So quinces are small, rounded fruits that grow on trees. And even though they're cousins of fruits like apples and pears, in its raw form, quinces tend to be kind of tough and a little sour. But when they're cooked, they become sweet and delicious. Quinces are believed to have originated in Caucasus, which is the mountainous region between the Black and Caspian Seas. You'll also find them growing in West Asia and Turkey, and they've also become popular in places like Spain, France, and Portugal. The harvest season is usually somewhere between October and November, and as I said previously, they're grown on trees. Now these trees can grow anywhere from 8 to 15 feet, or 2 to 5 meters tall. Quinces are best picked when they've turned a golden yellow color from a light green color. But because they're not as internationally famous as some of their other family members, they tend to be kind of hard to find. But don't you fret, you should be able to find it in one of its other forms, in a paste, jam, or a jelly. Did you know the ancient Greeks associated the fruit with fertility? And it's also said to have played an important role in wedding celebrations. When cooked, the fruit changes from white to a deep pink, but that's not always the case. According to finecooking.com, quinces that are rich in tannins become a dark rose. Those with fewer tannins may remain creamy white or turn light pink. Nowadays, you can find many variations of the fruit. For example, Cook's Jumbo, best used for baking, poaching, and making jellies. Champion, known for its light and lemon-like flavors. And then there's Pineapple. It has an aroma and taste similar to a pineapple. It's one of the most cultivated and is best used in baking and in cooking. In just 100 grams of quinces, you will find 57 calories, 0.4 grams of protein, 0.1 grams of fat, 1.9 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of carbohydrates. But let's not forget vitamins A, vitamins B6, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and copper. A quince is rich in antioxidants. It can be an anti-inflammatory, regulates blood pressure, can help in boosting your immunity, and has also been known to benefit atopic dermatitis as well as other similar skin conditions. Well, that's all I have for you today.